Hey guys, I'm back after a little break. Had some things going on with life, but we're good now. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth time ramp zoom in, zoom out reverse effect. First, import your clips and arrange them in order. Select your clip and turn it into a compound clip. Next, go to Speed and apply the Flash In curve. After that, add keyframes at the start and end of the clip to create a zoom in and zoom out effect. For smoother motion, apply either the ease out or quad out graph. Once that's done, copy the clip and paste it right after. Reverse this second clip. Now change the curve from flash in to flash out. And use the cubic in graph for this one. Finally, select both clips and turn them into a new compound clip. Adjust the speed to 2x or 1.5x, depending on what fits your audio or beats. And that's it.